Chocolate coconut ice, an easy, no-bake dessert that's as delicious as it is simple to make. If you love coconut and chocolate, this treat will disappear fast. Join Mum and me in the Burmawala kitchen as we walk you through this recipe step by step. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, combine 300 grams of icing sugar with 400 grams of sweetened condensed milk. Watch how beautifully that condensed milk pours in. It's almost too tempting not to sneak a spoonful straight from the tin. Use a spatula to gently mix the two together. Here's a quick tip. Use the largest mixing bowl you have, as things can get a bit messy. Keep stirring until the icing sugar is fully incorporated, forming a smooth mixture. Now, it's time for the star of the show. 325 grams of desiccated coconut powder. Add it to the bowl and begin mixing with your spatula. But here's where the fun starts. You'll want to ditch the spatula and use your hands. It's a little stiff at first, but kneading it like bread will bring everything together perfectly. Don't worry, the effort is worth it. Once your mixture is ready, divide it into 2 equal parts. One part will stay white, while the other will get a pop of color. Before we move on, take a small baking tin and line it with parchment paper. Press the first half of the coconut mixture firmly into the base of the tin, using your hands to create an even layer. Finish smoothing it out with a spatula for a polished look. Now, let's color the second half. Add a few drops of natural pink food coloring and use your hands again to mix it in thoroughly. Break the mixture apart as you go to ensure the color is evenly distributed. You can adjust the amount of food coloring to get your desired shade of pink, whether it's a soft blush or a vibrant pop of color. Once your pink coconut mixture is ready, layer it on top of the white layer in the tin. Press it down firmly, just like before, and smooth it out evenly. This ensures your layers stay distinct and look gorgeous when you slice into the dessert later. Now for the best part, the chocolate topping. Take 500 grams of milk baking chocolate and break it into smaller pieces to help it melt quickly and evenly. You can melt the chocolate in the microwave, stirring it every 30 seconds, or over a double boiler on the stove. Either way, make sure it's silky smooth. Pour the melted chocolate over the coconut layers. Spreading it out evenly with a spatula. For a perfect finish, tap the tin on your countertop to help the chocolate settle into a smooth, level layer. Cover the tin with foil and pop it into the fridge for 2 hours to set. And there you have it. Your chocolate coconut ice is ready. This dessert is a showstopper, with its beautiful layers of white, pink and glossy chocolate. Plus, it's incredibly rich and satisfying. When it's time to slice, here's a handy tip. Heat your knife in hot water and wipe it dry before cutting to glide through the chocolate layer easily. I'm cutting mine into large chunks for the camera, but you can go for smaller, bite-sized pieces. This dessert is rich, so a little goes a long way. This no-bake recipe is perfect for making with kids, as there's no cooking involved. You can even get creative with different colors and flavors. Think of it as a homemade chocolate coconut bounty, but even better. Let's get some beauty shots in to show off those perfect layers. As always, All the ingredients and instructions are in the description below. Happy cooking from the Burmawala kitchen, and don't forget to share your creations with us. See you next time.